company was started in 1984 from a staff of probably about 17 to 65. We are world leaders in the chemically bonded sand part sector of the foundry industry. We can give a customer an option for a whole foundry, from sand mixing down through to mold handling, and then reclamation, mechanical and thermal reclamation. So we've got the whole package, and we can do bespoke machines if the customer needs it. 9 years ago, we got SOLIDWORKS, starting with a couple of licenses. We've now got 7 licenses, including a simulation license. We're looking to upgrade to another further 2 licenses and changing to network licenses, because we've got off-site designers who need access to the EPDM system. The company for years used to use AutoCAD 2D drawings, which is pretty much a nightmare because you've got to recreate every view. With the 3D part of SOLIDWORKS has made it easier to visualize the machines, new machines, for the people with lots of foundry experience in the company but not necessarily have got the engineering drawing expertise. So you can send the 3D model out, you can do exploded views, and they can easily pick up the if we've made mistakes in the design or something's not quite going to work. And also the interface of different machines that have to work with each other, that's helped a lot with that too. Our main design challenges, I would say, are bespoke machines for a customer that's got a particular need. The parametric features in SOLIDWORKS enables us to change a existing design quite easily, and we can get it out for approval quickly, and then the manufacturing drawings you have to make slight changes because they're there already, so we can suit the customer's need and timescales. For design reuse, it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. For new designs, obviously, with a simulation tool that we've got now, that also helps, so we don't have to build a machine and then test it and something goes wrong or it destroys itself, especially with vibratory equipment. We can safely now design a machine and be sure that when we go into the testing phase, it will be right, and we might have to make small changes instead of the machine actually the body of the machine refabricated. PDM Professional we've had probably for about 2 years now. We identified a problem where our revision control was an issue, and then we approached Innova to solve the problem, and they suggested PDM Professional. We went through quite a long phase of deciding how we're going to lay it out, and they were working with us hand in hand to get the file structure correct. The advice we got was brilliant, because if you set it up wrong initially, you can have a lot of problems later, but with their help we've set it up properly, our file structure's in place, and our revision control is spot on now. Other features we use in SOLIDWORKS are the speedback feature, where we've had a problem with large layouts taking a lot of computing power, and the speedback function, which is nice, which you can turn sub-assemblies on and off, so your computer doesn't struggle as much. We use PhotoView 360 for rendering, for sales, or for our quotation system on the ERP system. We put renders with all the machines that we've got. The 3D layouts will help potential customers to visualize what we're going to do with the plant. We've recently been looking into start using motion study, so we can actually move the plant around. So the salesmen have got a really good tool which the customer can actually see the plant moving. We got simulation about 1.5 years ago. Innova gave us training, that was a 3-day training course, which definitely opened our eyes on how to use it. And then the support afterwards, which I think we probably would have been lost without Innova support. But we quickly realised that we needed the support, and we use it constantly. You pick up the phone, dial the number, and we're on first name terms with all the guys pretty much there. And I've not yet encountered a problem that they haven't solved for us in quick time. And I'd like to say that that's attributed to the growth of the company.